Hello dear students, let us understand about circular flow of economy now. That is for four sectors. Four sectors in the sense, first one is households, banks or any kind of financial institutions, that is why FS, financial institutions, firms, that is organizations, companies, and last is government. So how economic flow cycle is happening between all these different four sectors. Okay, let me explain that. First one is, from firms to, they have given us arrow markers factor payment to households. Imagine that in companies laborers are working. Obviously laborers are working in company means they have to provide wages or salaries to us, right? So that is called as FP, that is factor payment. Since labor is also one of the factors, right? Land, labor, capital, all such things. So factor payment is firms are providing payment to households. Households, individuals, common individuals, citizens, okay. So next one is, again, firms also serving as factors of production. Okay, yes, land, labor is the very important factor serving as the factors of production. That is why they are getting payment, either wages or else salaries. Okay, so that is one form. Next one is from households, they have given us firms, towards firms as consumer expenditure, where we are purchasing certain goods to, by visiting the shop, by visiting the organizations, by purchasing the items. So that is consumer, we consumers, we are spending our money, that is consumer expenditure. On the other hand, firms for spending, for paying the money, they are providing goods or services. Whatever we require for goods, they will provide us goods, or else we might visit some service like hairdressing or whatever, services, entertainment, so all kind of service also we can enjoy from firms. So this is another different part. So next, from households towards bank or financial institutions, they have mentioned us yes. What is this yes?
Savings.
Obviously, from households to banks means definitely it might be savings. So all our earnings, so after doing all the expenditures, we might have some portion of money, right? And that certain portion of money, we'll take it as as a savings amount. So that is called, we'll deposit in banks as fixed deposits or mutual funds, whatever. Okay, so that is savings. And from banks and financial institutions to firms, that is to companies, it is mentioned as I. I is definitely I is investments. See, any company, if they want to expand their branches, additional branches, if they want to increase their production, whatever idea, so definitely they need huge funds. If they need huge funds, so again they have to take loan from banks, right? So taking loan from the banks and putting that as a capital amount, and that is actually called as investment to the companies. So savings and investment. Okay, now let us understand about this government. So from firms, from households, it is mentioned as, it is going to government as DT. DT is nothing but direct taxes. We are paying all kind of direct taxes, right? Income tax, property tax, all kind of taxes. As a normal household, we are paying to government. Okay. On the other hand, government is also providing some benefits like welfare schemes, financial aids. Government is providing all kind of financial schemes, welfare schemes. Government is providing for us. Actually, that is called as transfer payment. Okay. Sometimes government provides subsidies to farmers. It is called as transfer payments, or wages, salaries to the government employees. If we act as a household, government employees, that also considered as wages or salaries. Okay, coming to this side, that is government to firms, government purchases under subsidies. Yes, governments or, government is providing companies some additional money. This additional money is called as subsidies. Okay, it might be automobile sector, it might be for agriculture, whatever industry, whatever field, the government is providing firms some subsidies. That is, government purchases and subsidies. And firms are providing not only direct taxes, both direct as well as indirect tax. That is why from firms to government, they are paying both DT as well as indirect taxes. Where households, they will pay only direct taxes, firms have to pay both direct as well as indirect. Indirect taxes means additionally, GST, VAT. What is VAT? Value added tax, goods and services taxes, all such things, excise duties. These are all the different other taxes if we act as a organization. So this is the entire circular flow happening between these 4 sectors. Clear? Thank you.
Thank you.